Hello, everyone! Today, I'm going to compare 4 different hair clippers for you and find out which model is the best. Don't forget to like and comment if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the wall clipper stainless steel. This machine is made of durable stainless steel material, so it's sturdy and long-lasting. Plus, with its powerful motor, you can perform cutting tasks quickly and effectively. That's why it's an ideal choice for professional barbers and home users alike. Now, let's talk about the Wall Professional 5-Star Magic Clip. This model is equipped with a top-notch motor, so there's no doubt about its power. Plus, it stands out with its precision cutting capability. With adjustable cutting settings, you can easily achieve the style you want. That's what makes the Magic Clip a favorite among cutting enthusiasts. Another favorite of mine is the Andes 12470 Master Cordless. Why? Because of its cordless design, it gives you a sense of freedom. With a short charging time, you can be ready for long cutting sessions. Plus, it shines with its powerful motor and durable blades. It's tailor-made for professional use. Lastly, let's take a look at the Babyliss PRO Barberology Metal FX. What caught my eye about this model is its metallic design and ergonomic structure. It looks stylish and provides comfortable use. Plus, with its powerful motor and long-lasting blades, it makes cutting tasks enjoyable. Each model has its own unique advantages, so you'll need to consider your needs and preferences to determine which one is right for you. My personal favorite is the Andes 12470 Master Cordless because its cordless design and powerful motor are essential to me. Which model do you prefer? Don't forget to let me know in the comments.